Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and this video has been a little while coming. I had a couple of requests on how to use the tracker insert, the weekly tracker insert that comes with the Wal-Mart Pen & Gear Traveler's Notebooks. All of their Traveler's Notebooks come with different inserts. I'm not sure which notebook this one was in. If you want to see more about those Traveler's Notebooks, I'll link to the video where I did flip throughs in the iCard above and gave all the information about them. So this pink Traveler's Notebook is just one of the Traveler's Notebooks that they offered, and this was a seasonal product, so you may not be able to find it. Some people have pretty good luck in finding them in their Walmarts, but this was a back to school seasonal product, and like I said, this insert came out of one of the notebooks that I have. I'm not sure which one it came from, but let's get started. So the first page of the notebook is grid paper, and then we start with the weekly trackers. It has a space for you to put the week of. Then you can put the things that you need to track and the things to do, and it'll let you mark them off Monday through Sunday. It has a little space down here for weekly to-dos. So if it's just something that you need to do weekly, you just write that in, check it off, and then a very small note section, which I'm not sure what you would actually put in there, but I'm going to attempt to decorate this. I'm not really sure why this was requested. I don't know, but I'm going to do my best. There's also an insert available in my shop that's very similar to this. So if you're not able to find the Walmart Traveler's Notebook that has this particular insert and you would like it, I will link to the insert that's in my shop in the description box below. So let's get started. I did pull out some washi to work with for this. These two are from Capital Chic Designs, the new line that is available at Michael's, and this washi is from Simply Gilded. I'm not sure what this is called, but I will be using this. And I mean, there's really not that much to do. It just depends on what you like and how you want to do things. I was thinking that I would kind of place this washi up at the header. Let's see, which part do I want to use? So I'm just going to trim off the extra doll here. I mean, and then you can use these trackers for any number of things. I'm going to trim it right here on their shoulders. So you could use it for tracking the days you take your vitamins. If there's social media things you want to do regularly, I think that's what I'm going to fill in for now, is social media. I don't know, anything that you want to track. If you go to bed at a certain time, if you don't eat sugar for that day, if you don't spend money for that day. It's just a typical tracker. It just happens to be weekly instead of monthly. So I'm just going to put this washi right there. And maybe I should have went all the way across and covered up the week of. Let's see. But then how will we know what week it is? I guess we could put it down where the notes is. Can we do that? We can experiment a little bit here. So let's see if we can connect this and keep going. Just see what it looks like. I think that's better. All the way across. Then I was thinking I could use this washi at the bottom. It's really nothing to this, so. And if you didn't need this area down here, or you wanted to repurpose it, you could easily wipe that out and use it for something different. I don't think I'm going to use this one for now. I have my icons from JD in Brooklyn. Let's see. So let's start with Instagram and Facebook. So, I mean, I don't have a whole lot to track. I'm going to probably take up 2 or 3 lines with Instagram, and then I can do posts, stories, and IGTV. Okay, then I can come in here. Didn't I get another thin washi? Let's see, I have some thin washi here. This one with the gold line is good, and I can divide that off. Let's get it right. Okay. And then I can come in with my Facebook icon. And let's see. I'm going to do Facebook. Let's see. I have the page, the group, I'm just going to use page and group, I think. And then I'm going to draw another line with the washi. I was going to give it a little less room, but I won't. And that Instagram sticker is a little crooked and it's bothering me just a little bit. So I might try to straighten that up. Okay. Okay. Then, ooh, the big one. I have YouTube. Probably should have put that one before Facebook. So for YouTube, I have posts. I have stories. And I have community. So, and I think that's it. Then I could put any other miscellaneous because I have Twitter connected to these. I have, oh, Patreon. I need to put that in there. Pinterest is also connected so that I don't have to do that one specifically. I don't have, I should have squeezed these in a little tighter. Since I've run out of space, I probably could skip over to the next page, but I'm not going to. I'm going to make this work right here. And I can probably trim off a little bit on the Patreon since it's on a white background. I don't need as much room. And then the next time I would do it, I know to leave a little more space. So there we go. Patreon, and then we can run this across. And voila. So now I'm feeling like I need something up here. I really don't. I'm not going to. But maybe I can run it across up here to kind of help tie it all in together. I think so. Straighten this up a little bit. Then I can just check things off through the week. If I want to put the date, I could actually run it on the side, week of, or I could come down here and cover these up and use it and do it down here. If I'm not using a weekly to do, I could actually run the washi tape over that to cover it. Let's see, I can actually decorate on either side of it a little bit. So if you have a lot of things to do that you want to track through the week, you could actually make this a 2-page spread, and you could put your week of over here. Since we covered up the week of here, I would probably go in and put a sticker down or just write it in on the side here. Let's see if I have anything in here that I could use. I don't think I do. Maybe that's a good sticker for me to make, a week of stickers. I need to write that down. So the way this black goes all the way across at the bottom looks a little awkward since it stops right there. So I'm just going to trim that off. Take my knife and just trim that off. And it also keeps it away from this corner since the corner is rounded. And let's take that off, and then we will figure out how we will note the dates on here. Okay, I think that's better. It's just cleaner. And oh, for our weekly to do, I can use one of these and say let's check the post office, because I do like to go to the post office weekly. So let's say check post office. That's one weekly to do. And let's see if we can find some stickers for that we can run on the side here to put our dates. Let's check dates and holidays and see what we've got. I think I'll just use the small tiny numbers, and I think I have, oh, well, I do need to use these. Let's use this on the side here. So I could come in here and make the letters look a little more hand lettered. This isn't the best pen for this, but just darkening the downstroke on each letter. Okay, then room for notes, and that's it. So I hope this is what you expected for those that asked for me to do this on this spread. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, Please give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you're subscribed to the channel and hit that little gray bell so that you'll receive notification each time I upload a new video. Be sure to check the community tab and my stories for updates throughout the week. Also, check us out over at patreon.com/Scrapcraftastic for exclusive content and digital downloads. Also, visit my other channel, Journal Life's Journey, where I do live craft videos, junk journals, and weekly vlogs. You can find me across social media at Scrapcraftastic. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.